There is a single ripe tomato and a spoonful of raw sugar sitting on my bathroom counter right now. When you combine them in this exact sequence, they create a gentle but powerful dual-action enzymatic and physical scrub that erases stubborn sun-tan lines from your arms and hands in under 15 minutes. Take a fresh red tomato and slice it cleanly in half with a sharp knife. Press the exposed, juicy cut surface directly into a bowl of granulated sugar so the sugar crystals embed firmly right into the tomato pulp. Rub this sugary tomato half directly along your forearms, the backs of your hands, and your dark knuckles in firm, sweeping circular motions. Do this on completely dry skin for exactly 3 minutes. The natural citric acid and lycopene in the tomato instantly break down the cellular glue holding oxidized, dead cells together, while the sugar granules physically sweep away the darkened surface layer without creating micro-tears in your skin barrier. Here is why most people fail to get rid of a stubborn driver's tan. We are taught that sun-darkened skin just needs heavy moisturizing lotion. But applying expensive lotion over built-up dead keratin is like painting over rust. It just sits on the surface. Because your forearms and knuckles bend and stretch all day long, your body holds on to these oxidized cells for dear life. You need an active fruit acid to dissolve the desmosome bonds before the skin can shed evenly. After scrubbing for 3 full minutes, let the remaining tomato juice sit on your skin for another 5 minutes so the natural antioxidants can deeply penetrate the newly exposed surface. Then, rinse everything thoroughly with cool running water and pat completely dry with a soft towel. Look at that instant difference. The dull, darkened surface layer is completely gone, leaving your forearms and hands noticeably brighter, smoother, and deeply refreshed without a single dollar spent on expensive salon peels. Always finish by pressing 2 drops of pure jojoba oil or soothing aloe vera gel into your damp skin to lock in moisture and protect your fresh lipid barrier. For the complete step-by-step measurements, skin type variations, and my full natural beauty guides, visit BritanyMarshallBeauty.com. Tell me in the comments if you tried this tonight.